show you the bridge. Okay. Go.
Now. Go get it. Fire blast. Go get. Take a picture.
And then there. And then pick another Beyblade. I picked Sagittario. And it's like $10 a piece.
And that pick one.
Let it on.
That's That's Go cat!
Up so easily, like always.
Special.
Wait.
Go
This one's $20. 2 metals, 2 plastics, and also attack, stamina, defense, and speed. I'll show you.